Hey everyone, this is Ty Burton. I just had to check in real quick in between my appointments. Check on everybody. See how everyone's doing. Hope everyone's having a good week. I have appointments available. You better catch me now. Also, spray down that desk a little bit with the disinfect. There's some napkins in the kitchen before my client gets here. Hey, just checking in with everybody. I hope everyone's having a wonderful week. Look at my hair. I'm having one of them days. I'm working hard. I'm in the office. I do have appointments available. Remember, I wasn't accepting any new appointments until the 25th. So I have opened up my calendar. So if you can visit the website. And keep in mind, people, be ready. You must have a credit monitoring service. I do not do any consultations if you're using Credit Karma. I only use my FICO or Identity IQ, which is the score IQ, which gives you your FICO scores. So if you want a consultation, you have to have one of those credit monitoring. Those are the only ones that show you what a lender is looking at when you're trying to get credit cards, auto loans, mortgage loans, you name it. Stop looking at Credit Karma unless you're new to credit and you just want it simplified, broken down, the moving parts of credit. That is the only thing Credit Karma is good for. Other than that, you need my FICO or Identity IQ, the FICO version, which is Score IQ. Okay, so during the consultation, keep in mind, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do to fix your own credit. If you choose not to do it, that's when you get the full service with Ty's office. Okay, the best way to contact Ty is at the office, 888-478-6680. Somewhere on no matter where you call, someone at my office will answer the phone. Okay, so don't expect to always talk to Ty, but there's someone on my team who can answer any of your questions. So keep that in mind. But if you want a consultation with me personally, you have to schedule it on the website and you'll get my undivided attention. I'm going to tell you exactly from start to finish how to repair your own credit. And if you choose not to do it yourself and you want one of my offices to do it, that's when you pay the fee. Okay, but other than that, with the credit consultation, I'm going to tell you how to repair your own credit. I'm going to give you the sauce. So schedule your appointment now. Don't wait till I'm booked up. I was booked up for 2 weeks. So don't wait. Go ahead and lock in your date now. TystyleCreditSolutions.com. Be blessed. Be safe. I'm in the office. I'm working. Have a good day.